Hey everybody, we're out here in Otsego Township today. The guys are working on this really cool pool deck. This family has a nice above ground pool. We're building a composite deck around it. You can see they're working on the framing. They've got all the posts set. You can see that the way we frame this is the beam or the girder is sitting on top of the post with an appropriate bracket. And that's the way decks are supposed to be built in Michigan according to code. Every once in a while you'll see where someone sandwiches the post. That is not proper framing. So working on the framing here, you can see all this extra blocking that we've put in. This is to prepare to do what's called a picture frame. So the deck is going to have divider boards and picture frame all the way around it. And then we've also got the blocking in here to be able to support the handrail. One thing that we're doing a little bit different on this project is because of the pool, there's actually going to be a privacy screening down this side. And I'll take you over here and show you what that looks like. This is something that we've kind of worked out specifically for this project. We're using these surface mount fence posts. These will be mounted to the top of the deck, and then there will be black privacy fencing installed between the posts. What that's going to do is it's going to create a safety barrier so that no one can fall off the deck, just like handrail, but it's going to give the family privacy when they're out enjoying their pool. They're on a busy road and they don't have to worry about people, you know, snooping as they go by. This is gonna make this deck pretty cool. When we're all done, the deck is gonna have Trex enhanced deck boards installed in color saddle brown. And then we're gonna have the black rails, black privacy guard on the one side, and then we're gonna have Lattice installed as well. So really excited about this project. This one's gonna create a nice space for them to enjoy. Feel free to like us on YouTube and hit subscribe below. Thanks.